Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. You need to begin by selecting one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and then acting it in the background. In order to do that with Tricky's navigation, click on this button with 3 lines. Then just click on the icon of your app and select Open in Split Screen View from the list. Now you can finally select the other app. As you can see, after all that, I can use both at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps to the side, let go, and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!